A lot of friends that I have, they think it's like too good to be true, you know? And it's not. If you look at the numbers and you look at what you're paying between utilities and the loan, for us it made a lot of sense and we're saving a lot of money throughout the year. What sold me on Wells too was the fact that they were a local company. They were based in Austin. A lot of the other solar companies that pop up on like Facebook feed, who knows where they come from. When you look at our past 12 months and you see bills that are like $15, -$9, -$20, now when we talk about our energy bill, we're not talking about it in the hundreds.
People are always asking, has anyone considered solar? And I'll try to say what sticks out, and what sticks out is the 25-year warranty, because everyone else is talking about their experience, but no one is saying 25-year warranty.
The actual installation of the system only lasted, I want to say, just a couple of days. I've referred 10 people, I've gotten 2 to commit, and we've actually gotten about $500 each for each one of those.
He's the referral guy. Oh yeah.
I'm batting about 20%. Right now, everyone is at home. I'm using all of our devices. I'm sure that savings that we experience, month to month, it definitely gives us a bit of security and it makes us feel a little bit better. Yeah, you could be paying your electric company all your money throughout the year, or, a small loan and then a small electric bill. Last month we paid $24. Next month we shouldn't even have a bill. That plus our loan for the solar equipment it's not even close. We're the Ybarra family and we love our solar.